So hello guys, we are on our way to buy dishwashing machine, but now we are here in the road. It's traffic, so yeah, we are here on the road almost 30 minutes and it's still queue on the road. It's raining and yeah, the road is already open, but the queue is still. So look at that. And now it's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon and it's still a long queue. But luckily, yeah, it's open. They said earlier that 2 roads are closed, but now all of them are open, but still we are following the queue. It's traffic, so all over. So hope that we gonna come on the store on time. We're hoping, but yeah, still queue, as you can see. Yeah, it's already queue there. Doon din sa taas, kabila. It's also traffic in the other side. De är den som vill inte stå i kö här. Då fick de kö där för att det finns också väg där. So when it's accident on the road, it's traffic. Yeah. It's also traffic there in the side. But now it's moving, so we are hoping to come on time. Eller hur, Pang?
Yep.
They're gonna close 6 o'clock, right? So they're gonna close 6 o'clock, and yeah, it's traffic everywhere. As you can see, in the other side also, and the ambulance is there. Yeah. So the ambulansen ingen wing. The ambulansen ingen wing. So it's traffic. We are not expecting this, but since we are in the road already, so yeah, we'll see if we can arrive on the store on time. So that is our journey for today's video. And yeah, it's just 4 o'clock, 4:07, but it's dark, so that's why the street lights is on. So, bye for now. We update later on. Bye bye.